Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we're diving into week 7 of the OpNet on-chain tasks, and this is kind of a follow-up from last week's task. So we will deploy our own token, and I figured out how to do it, and I will help you out with that. Deploy 5 OP20 tokens and up to 20. Add liquidity to one of your deployed token paired with Moto, and then we'll execute swaps in that liquidity pool. And also, we've done these before, so some of it will be familiar. But before we get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you would think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way. Now, Motoswap getting the points. I'm over 100,000 points now. If you do need help, I have a Discord. All the socials are linked down below. You can follow me on Twitter at the BCR142. I co-host a show every Monday and Saturday. Monday night and Saturday night, 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern. And it's DeFi Crypto Airdrop. And check out our brother channels. The great host of them, the_only_DCA is our Twitter. And the host, Veteran for Crypto, great DeFi mind, spitting the alpha. We're doing a bunch of good shit over there. So check us out. And with that, let's dive in. So this was very tricky to rock a rhyme. That's right, on time. So here I had trouble with this before, but you can go in here and deploy a token from your OP wallet right here. And this didn't work for me last time, or no, not this. It was something different. Either way, what we're gonna do is I found this great little tutorial. So when you go to github.com/BTC-vision/OP_20. I will post this link. Now you need to sign up for GitHub. It is free, but when you're here and you're in OP20, right? Bitcoin Vision OP20. Let me make sure that you can see this. You will see right here where it says fork, and make sure that you have your profile logged in. So click this little down arrow, and this will say create a fork. And I've already got an existing fork. So you'll copy that over and just do the basic default settings. So this is my part of the code. So we were here on the OP20 repository. Now begins the fun. So what we will do is go right here to code and code spaces and click this plus, create a code space. And this will take a little while. Okay, source. Go right here. Let's see, I can't. Well, if you can see it. So source, contracts, and then my token, right? You see this? So we will go down right here to this public override on deployment. And you'll see this constant name string equals test. This is your token name. So you can leave the decimal count, just change the test right here to whatever token you want. So I'm gonna do DCA1 and then DCA1, okay? And let me see, what's the next step? I'm watching this video. Okay, so now we go down here to terminal. Right, and sometimes it might be on a different setting. So go to terminal, and what we will type is npm space install. Okay, and then once that's done, npm run build. Run build, okay. Looks good. Go up to build. Okay, that's right. So right here, this my token, allow until I close the site, and then download. So you're gonna download this, and I'm just gonna save that as my extra, my token 1.wasm. Now, this is where you go here to your OP wallet, go to this deploy right here, and bring your file in there. And let me make sure that That will take a little while. Okay. Oh, five. Yeah, it said 500. Okay. Now this will take a while to do. So there's the contract address right here, but this might not be ready to go yet. It might give you a wrong token. So this actually took me quite a while. So let's go to Motoswap, search your token address. See, it only gives me the Moto. This is not the right address for Moto, so this will take a while. Now we can come back to that once it is complete, because you will see this, like I said, this DCA showed up after I minted. So this is my DCA token that I created last week. And you can mint more tokens if you'd like. But once this completes, you should see that token show right here. And if you don't see it, you can always come here to Motoswap. And when you log in, you can check your tokens right here and it should show up. So let's see here. So yeah, you got to do this 20 times. So deploy 20 OP20 tokens. So you got to go through this, or I should say this 20 more times. So come here, and what we'll do is I'm going to change this to 2, and then I'm going to do this again. All you got to do is just hit the up arrow right here under the terminal and npm install, and then npm run build, and then do it again, npm run build, and then you go right here. Oh yeah, look at that. So let's refresh Explorer, go to build, my token, and download. So we'll do number 2. Do that until you do it 20 times. And then we'll come here. We'll come back to our wallet, go to deploy, and do it again. My token 2. $500, and we'll just do that each time. See, it's a different contract address, but that will still show us the Moto token, unfortunately. So, okay, now swap 2 days ago. Now that those tokens are taking their time, it will take, I think it showed up the next day for me. TBTC, let's see. Oh yeah, faucet. So let's see here. Tokens. Okay, so once your token shows up here, you'll see if it doesn't show up, what you can do is go to the block explorer, and let me copy these. Let me get my testnet tokens. Okay, I need to use on a different browser. Okay, once this token shows up, it might show up tomorrow. So you might have to wait a day, but you will see in OP scan, paste your wallet address, and you should look right here in token holdings. Hold on, let me see, swap, incoming. Okay, so it hasn't created those yet. 2 days. So right here, you'll see your token, and whatever token you create, you copy that wallet address, right? And what we're doing is we're adding liquidity to one of these. You just need to do one. So one liquidity pool, and that will take care of, and you will have to swap up to 50 times in that pool. So you can create 20 tokens, but only create one liquidity pool, and that will be deployed with Moto. So as long as you have some Moto tokens, you can come here to pool, create pool, and what we're gonna do, nope, go back. You don't wanna create a native pool, you wanna create pool. So that you might get stuck on that. I got stuck last time, so you can't change that. Go back under pool right here and go to create pool. And then you can select Moto, and whatever your token is, copy this wallet or copy this token address, go back over here, import or select token, paste that token address, and you will see your token pop up. So whatever amount you want to put in there, it just has to be enough for trading for your swaps. So we're going to add liquidity into this liquidity pool. If you don't do this, you won't be able to swap for your token. Okay, we've added liquidity. Now let's see. Do we have any of these tokens that have been deployed yet? Ah, look at that. So let's see, we have two new tokens, DCA1, DCA2. There you go, ladies and gents. So we're gonna come here, copy this DCA1. We'll go here to create pool, and I'm gonna create my DCA1. There you go. Let's see here. Okay, to add liquidity. Let's see, just gonna pick some random numbers. Well, the deployed token went a lot faster than it did last week, that's for sure. Now we can go here and these will show up sometime. Okay, liquidity is pending. So there you go, you see DCA1. So what we're gonna do, go there and trade Moto. No, the pool doesn't exist yet, that's right, because it's still pending. So that's pretty much it. Okay, we got swap BT1 to Moto. So we're gonna do that real quick while this pool, that's pill. BT1 to Moto. We're gonna do a hundo. Swap BT1, and then we'll claim our stake tokens, all right, for Moto stake. So we'll come up here, go to the stake, and should see rewards to claim. Bada boom. Remove liquidity from the Moto pill pool on Motoswap, and remove liquidity from the BT1 Moto pool on Motoswap. So BT1 Moto. Taking out our liquidity, as it says. Oh, now we get, okay. So in order to remove all of our liquidity, we need to go to farm and take out all of our liquidity on the Moto Chef. So let's go to menu, and we're gonna select the pill Moto LP, and let's see. So harvest rewards from Moto Chef, harvest. Actually, okay, these are all harvesting rewards. So Moto Chef, we're gonna go to Moto and then harvest these rewards. And I think we'll just, let's go back here and do the Bitcoin dish, harvest and unstake, confirm, confirm, restake. Oh, okay. Okay. So whatever the minimum is, we're gonna restake our Bitcoin and hopefully it'll like us. All right, what I'm gonna do is unstake a little bit of this pill Moto because I'm gonna withdraw some of that for this other task. So the purpose of this is the farming token. So I withdrew some of this pill Moto liquidity pool token that's staked. Okay, that liquidity is removed. And I should see the pill Moto pool show up right here since I removed some of this. So in order to get this, you have to add liquidity to the pill Moto pool. So I should see some of that show up here. Okay, it has not. Okay, they're still removing liquidity. So now I should see some of this verify. Let's see what we got cooking. And I think that's really about it. The other ones are pretty self-explanatory. It's nighttime, it's about ready for bed. All right, so did we get, oh yeah, we cooking, dog. There we go. We got 2 tokens, but that's okay. Yeah, add liquidity. That was this one. Remove liquidity, harvesting rewards. Yeah, and these sometimes will take a while. Let's see, remove liquidity before I jump on out of here. Oh, and these are executing T Bitcoin to OP20 swaps. So swapping Bitcoin to OP20 tokens. Now let's see. No, they're still pending. But there you go. If you do need further help on this, just remember Bitcoin to Moto or Pill. And then Moto and Pill to Bitcoin will take care of these 30 swaps. But this will take a little while, and this will take some time for you to go through that process. But I hope that helps. Let me know. Jump in the Discord. Hit me up on Twitter. All that fun stuff. And with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies. Peace out.